Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can use big letters or big text for your chats and conversations on Discord. So if you're interested guys, make sure you keep watching because doing this is actually super simple and all you need is one click of your mouse. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let's get started. So obviously log into your Discord account and join a server, either your own server or a server you have joined, and next join a text channel on that server. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to join that text channel here. I created for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do guys is simply left click on a text box here at the bottom where you usually send and type your messages, but instead of typing your messages right away, type in this symbol here. Sorry, I don't know the English term for that, but you know that icon here. Type it on your keyboard, press space, and after that simply type in your normal text or message, press enter to send the message, and as you can see, the message has been sent, but in big letters. And that's all do it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.